So today I will be showing you guys how to do a knotless braid with boho curls. And it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm literally pulling it and it's not going anywhere. And they're tight, they're secure, they're coming out the braid. It doesn't look awkward or anything. You see, it doesn't look awkward coming out the braid. It's very fine. You see? It's very fine. It's not bulky or anything like that. You don't necessarily have to use the crochet method. It is literally perfect. All right, guys, so in this video, I am going to go ahead and show you how to do the knotless braids with the boho curl or whatever curl that y'all decide to use. I am going to show you guys. But before I start, make sure you guys subscribe before I start and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys watched my previous video, I did go ahead and drop the video on how to do a knotless braids 2 different ways. So make sure you guys watch that as well. I'm about to go ahead and start this braid. So once again, if you guys want to learn how to do a knotless braid, you guys can go ahead and look at my previous video for that. I'm gonna go ahead and start now, and then I will be right back once I start adding the curls, okay? So this is the hair that I have that I'm using. This is just regular beauty supply curly hair. I bought 1 bundle. So what I do usually is I just take this, I go all the way to the closest to the top that I can, right? Go close to the top, take my shears, and I just go ahead and, you see it? Just go ahead and cut it. See? That's what I do. I go ahead and cut it, and this is what I am left with, right? I get all the extra pieces of hair out, comb it out. Well, this time I'm just using my fingers to, get it all out. And one thing I have noticed is that sometimes I'll probably put just like a little oil sheen on it, or like a little holding spray, like a very, very, very soft holding spray. So that would be really good as well. So right now, let me go ahead and start on the braid, and I'll be right back. So I'll show you guys how I start to add these pieces in. So once again, I did state that all I'm doing is just adding in the knotless pieces. I said knotless pieces. Ha. Right now, I'm just, doing the knotless braid at the moment. And then I'm about to start adding the curls, okay? All right, so I have 1 piece right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it in just the same way that I'll add the knotless braid in, right? Once I add it in, I'll just go ahead and, take that out right here. I'm just using my comb since it's right here. Perfect opportunity. And I'll just keep braiding. Mind you, I still have that other piece in. You see it? I still have it in, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep braiding, just more so like up to my liking, and depending on how many curls that the client wants. So then right here, I'll just go ahead and take it out since I'm here. You see, you guys? I'll just go ahead and take it out again. Sometimes if it doesn't latch on to the comb, you guys can just simply take any type of clip that you have. I have this right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, just so for you guys to see. So I'm going to keep braiding, and it doesn't affect the braid at all. and it doesn't move. So I'm gonna pull it, it's not moving, right? So that's good. That's what we like to see. So I'm just gonna keep braiding, and then I'm going to end up doing one more, and I'm going to do one more without me talking. All right, see how it looks. So now you have 2 pieces. This is just 2 pieces. But of course you can add more, however much that you like. You can definitely add more. So you guys don't have to stop at these 2 pieces, okay? So the next one that I do, I am going to do just a few more. So you see how I have one right here and I have one right here. I'm going to do 4. I said 4. I said really 4? Anyways, so I'm going to add 4. I'm going to put one right here, then I'm going to add one at the bottom and another one at the bottom. So I'll definitely move my camera just a little bit so you guys can see exactly what I'm going to do. So I got one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add it in a different way, because the first time I added in one way, because there's multiple ways to do things, right? So this one is already out. I'm gonna use my clip to hold it in, right? Then I'm gonna keep braiding. So for this one, I left it out right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. It doesn't necessarily have to be left out at the same spot, guys, but I'm just gonna try my best to do that here. So it doesn't necessarily have to be left out at the same spot, just like this one, but I'm just doing that because that's what I did here. You see? So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. And then I'm gonna keep braiding. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add another piece, okay? So I'm adding in it this way. And as I added it in, I automatically left this one out. So I'm gonna keep it over there. Don't necessarily have to use anything to hold it back. So I'm gonna keep braiding. I'm braiding. And then I am going to let it go when I get towards the bottom a little bit. Because remember, I did say that I want it to be 4, right? So I'm going to let it go right here. I'm gonna keep braiding. Let's see, I'll just grab this right here. I'll let that, because it is getting in my way. So I'll just keep braiding since I'm getting towards the bottom. And then when it comes to the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and dip that in hot water. Let me go ahead and show you guys the bottom. The bottoms are gonna stay thin. So we're gonna braid it all the way to the bottom. See? And what we're gonna do is just go ahead and trim those little pieces. And now you see what we got. I'm about to show you. So now we see what we have. we have 4 dangling pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we have. So now we have a knotless braids with curls, with boho curls. So let me guys, I said let me guys. So let me know how you guys feel about this. This is the knotless with just 2 pieces, just 2 curls. I didn't finish the braid because, you know, I was just showing you guys. But this is just with 2 curls. And then this one is with 4. Some people add more as well, but that's just, you know, as far as like, you know, what people want sometimes. So that's what we have thus far. All right, guys, well, I'm about to head out. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll try my best to do a video on it for sure. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely see you guys later. Thanks for watching. This means so much to me, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, 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 wonderful day. I'm about to take these out and wash my girl because, you know, she be stressed out. She got all this little gray hair. It's so funny. She has gray hair. But anyways, y'all have a good day, and God bless y'all.